clever monkey. Once upon a time there lived a monkey on a huge tree near the bank of a river. The monkey ate the sweet fruits that grew on the tree and lived happily. One day, a hungry crocodile swam up to the tree in search of food. The soft-hearted monkey gave him the sweet juicy fruits. Soon the monkey and the crocodile become friends. One day the monkey gave the fruits to the crocodile for his wife. The crocodile's wife felt jealous of their friendship. She said that the heart of the monkey would so be very sweet as he ate such sweet fruits every day. She asked the crocodile to bring her the heart of the monkey. The crocodile refused to do any such thing, but his wife remained adamant. Finally, the crocodile agreed to his wife's plan and invited the monkey of dinner. The monkey climbed on the crocodile's back and the crocodile swam towards his house on the side of the river. Halfway through, the crocodile told the monkey about his wife's plan. On hearing, the clever monkey said that he forgot his heart on the tree. The crocodile believed him and took the monkey back to the tree. As they reached the tree, the monkey jumped on to the tree and laughed loudly. Said that nobody can live by keeping his heart out of the body. This way through, the clever monkey saved himself. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.